Hi, my name is Nick, and I'm going to be doing a brief tutorial on how to utilize Excel to reference data on separate pages of your workbook. Basically, we have a summary page here at the beginning, which references my comic book collection. And my comic book collection is broken up into three different tabs for three different publishers, or well, two different publishers and then a catch-all for everybody else. So I've got a tab for all my Marvel comics, and a tab for my DC comics, and an other tab. And all of those are referenced up here and then totaled up so I can keep track of how many comics I've got. We use a simple sum function to add up these three numbers, give me a total. So the Marvel tab looks like this. In my titles, my count, my issues, and any notes, all these values are added up and totaled for us down at the bottom, again using the sum function. Of B2 through B57. DC, shorter list, but same basic layout. And other, also same layout, different value. And all of these values are referenced back on the main page. What is useful and different about this particular layout, though, is that I don't have to go to the Marvel page, add more data, and change it. For example, let's say I get a whole bunch more issues of Thunderbolts. Let's say I get 50 more issues, so I'll have 51 now. As you will notice, 1516 goes up to 1566. What's really cool is that on my comics summary page, the value is also 1566. The way I did that was with a reference. This cell does not have the value 1566 in it, as it would show up here in the formula bar. It has a reference. That reference starts with an equal sign, as every function does, and references the tab that the information is on and the cell from which to pull that information. So I'm going to show you how to type it in. Erase it, start from scratch, and tell it I want a formula, which must start with an equal sign. Click the tab that I want to use, and as soon as I do that, my formula begins to build itself, equal Marvel exclamation point, and then simply the cell that I want to reference, which is B59. And then I hit enter. And the value gets put in there for me. And as you can see, the exact same thing happens with the DC tab and the Others tab. And now if I go to my Others tab and let's go to DC and give myself a whole bunch more Green Lanterns. 85 Green Lanterns. That'd be awesome. Hit enter. The value here increases. And the value here increases, and therefore my sum increases as well. Simple reference to keep your data straight and summarize everything on a nice simple page instead of having to go look through every other tab to find your information. Hope that helps you guys out, and have a nice day.